Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up reactive obstacle avoidance on ROBOROCK Saros 20. Before I begin with the how to set it, you'll see already that I have some obstacles recognized because it is able to recognize obstacles and place them on the map. When I click here, it tells me that it has found cords or wires, and it prevented tangling. It has 93% confidence it is cords and wires and not something else. You can enable obstacle photos, so it takes photos of obstacles so you'll know exactly what that was, and you can enable you can ignore an obstacle. You can let it ignore an obstacle if there was no need to avoid it. Then there's also a chair that was 93% confident. Now if I click on the settings in the top right corner, I can go to reactive obstacle avoidance and I can enable it. I can enable obstacle photos here. I can change the less collision mode, so it basically you can do high coverage, which intelligently covers more areas. You can also make cleaning closely along wires to improve coverage, but it may increase the risk of tangling. Or do less collision, which will avoid collisions more but may cover less area of your floor. You can enable pet mode, so it'll recognize cats, dogs and feces during operation, and it takes more cautious avoidance actions. Yeah, so that is the thing. And if you enable it, you can also enable pet snaps, so it'll basically if you have obstacle photos enabled and pet mode enabled, then it can take photos of your pets, which is fun to have them sometimes. And then AI environment recognition can be enabled, so it actively perceives it and identifies some furniture and floor types automatically. And then there's fill light. In low light condition, it can be enabled, set to automatic or off, and then it'll enable the light to see more. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.